With the helpful settings on this Morphy Richards soup maker, you're sure to get perfect results no matter what flavour you make. The compact design utilises a smaller 1 litre capacity to offer easy to store convenience that barely takes up space on the kitchen counter. Ideal for whipping up light meals, it's a great fit for smaller family households. Make soup that's ready to serve in 19 minutes. Simply load your ingredients, choose your preferred settings and enjoy mouth-watering results in no time. With a manual blend function, you can easily achieve your preferred consistency. Whether you like your soup with chunks or silky smooth, you can make it to suit your taste. Thanks to the easy clean mode on this soup maker from Morphy Richards, you can put your feet up after you eat.